Acetic acid, systematically named ethanoic acid, is a colorless liquid organic compound with the chemical formula of CH3OOH. The solution of acetic acid produced by fermentation and oxidation is called vinegar.
Okay, so what is the classification according to the type of bond of vinegar? Well, a chemical bond is a lasting attraction between two atoms, molecules, or ions that enables formation of chemical compounds. So in the singular bonds, there are two electrons that they are making each outer shell orbit of the atoms to become complete. So that means that the compound is covalent, so we can say that vinegar is a covalent bond. So now the chemical formula. Chemical formula of vinegar is formed by 2 carbon atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms, and 2 oxygen atoms. And what is the chemical function of vinegar? So vinegar is a source liquid that is made by fermenting substances that contain sugar, especially such as fruit or wine, among others. So it is also used as a condiment to add flavor or as a preservative. And to conclude with this, vinegar contributes acidic notes to food, both in aroma and taste. Thank you.
Okay, hi, I'm Carlos, and I'm going to explain how is acetic acid obtained. Acetic acid is produced naturally when excreted by certain bacteria such as Acetobacter genus and Clostridium acetobutylicum. These bacteria are found in foodstuffs, water, and soil. Most acetic acid is made by methanol carbonylation, where methanol and carbon monoxide reacts to produce acetic acid.
Uses and application. Aren't you convinced yet? Well, which are the uses of acetic acid or vinegar? It's important to remember that white vinegar consists of 47% of acetic acid and 93 to 96% of water. It can be used for cooking, baking, cleaning, and weight control. It also may aid weight loss and lower blood sugar and cholesterol. Its consumption is safe in moderation, but could be dangerous in excess amounts or alongside certain medications. Now I'm going to mention its domestic and industrial applications. Acetic acid is used in several industries, such as the chemical one, the agricultural, the textile and dye, the food industry, the cosmetic industry, and the manufacturing industry. Because acetic acid kills fungus and microbes, it's great for general disinfecting and combating mold and mildew. It can be found in several conventional and green cleaning products.
The importance of the vinegar is that it may have significant health benefits due to its acetic acid content, including blood sugar control, weight management, reduced cholesterol, and antimicrobial properties. The vinegar may reduce both blood sugar and insulin levels after a meal. It also increases fullness by slowing the rate at which the stomach empties and possibly leading to reduced calorie intake and subsequent. It also reduces cholesterol and it is antimicrobial because of its antimicrobial properties, and it may be useful for treating physical ailments including nail fungus, warts, and ear infections. It's also an effective topical treatment for skin infections and burns. Thank you.
In the case if you were an environmental activist or just a simply person that cares for this environment, maybe you are wondering about what is the environmental impact of acetic acid. And let me tell you that it is low risk since acetic acid is pretty reactive with elements and compounds found on the atmosphere and other parts of the Earth's crust. So don't worry and believe me that acetic acid is not pollutant.
Vinegar may have significant health benefits due to its aesthetic content and acidic content as well, including blood sugar control, weight management, reduced cholesterol, and antimicrobial properties. Cheap vinegar is almost always processed synthetically with protochemicals, so this means that although you're thinking you're cleaning the environment with an environmentally friendly product, you are in fact contributing to environmental degradation because you're cleaning your house with a product made with protochemicals.